we feel that the right thing to do is be honest with you guys. Whilst we're asleep, we actually got attacked while we was in the van. Hi everyone, welcome to dubventures and welcome to our well camping spot where we stayed last night. And look at the fantastic view that we've woke up to. Now we're on the North East 250 route in Scotland and we've only been doing it for 3 days. And how are you enjoying it?
Love it.
It's amazing.
Definitely going to have to do it again.
Do you know what? We've got another week left doing this route, but just look at the view that we've woke up to last night. Now, we're just going to make some breakfast. Now we stayed here last night and we've decided we're going to stay another night here and we're going to go into town, aren't we?
I hear the sounds of your heartbeat.
So simple and easy to cook, but they are delicious.
So we're on the circular route to get into town. Hello. Hello. Thor's like, what's that?
We're going into Tomintoul, but we're taking the long route.
Yeah, because there's like
So there's a short route.
I think it's over there where we're going, but
there's
like
a quarter of a mile that you can do to get to the town centre, or you can do the circular route, which is probably about a mile.
Is that a brick?
The baby ones are cute.
Yeah. So as you can see, there's a gate here. Now we don't really want to be walking across with Thor while that cow's there, because at the end of the day, this cow, this is its home, so we need to get through this gate, but we need to wait.
Well, should I pick Thor up so that he can't get near the cow?
Yeah, maybe pick him up, and just don't want to disturb like the cows. At the end of the day, this is their home, so
right, you open the gate.
Open the gate and off you go.
It's okay.
There you go, you're egg. It's okay, it's okay. There we go. That's why it's always important to close gates when you're in the country and things, because if that gate was left open, these cows would potentially have access to get up there, wouldn't they? So there he goes. He's off, he's off. I didn't do that on purpose. I didn't do that on purpose. Come on, you know I didn't.
It's off up there.
Yeah. Go on, Britt, where are we on this map? Let's see.
Oh, I can't see a "you are here" sign. That's where we parked, I think, there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just walking through the little village. It's very quiet. I feel like I have to whisper.
I know, it's like there's no one about or anything. It's just got a nice feel to it though.
Yeah.
I think we're in the town centre bit now because it looks a bit more lively and the shops and things, so Brooke's just going to go in the village store and to see if we can get us a nice cold drink, because we don't want to drink Thor's water, so we get asked a lot of questions when we're on the road, you know, about like the toilet sort of like situation, and we find that pretty much everywhere we go, every town, every city and things like that we go to, there's public toilets, isn't there? So
we've just been in Tomintoul town, which is actually really cute. It's got a few restaurants and things, but we wanted to get some sausages, but believe it or not, I could not find any sausages. So we need something different for tea. I know we've got chicken noodles and we've got Yorkie puds, so can we do something with that?
So while the sun's out, we may as well get our EcoFlow solar panels out, and we've got it hooked up to our battery pack. Now that means at the moment our fridge isn't plugged in, but I'm going to plug it into our EcoFlow Delta.
The fridge, we've had some frozen watermelon for Sorry Boy, so
perfect, isn't it? For
perfect
summer.
for this summer weather.
You know what we haven't had for a long time? Dubventures toasty. So, let's do this. The good thing about these RIB beds is you can have it so in the position you can have it like up like that, because me and Brooke now we're going to be doing some like working out because of other trips and things, because we're going to be chilling out here and it looks like the weather's about to, yeah. What I do, we're just kind of like getting it set up in a nice comfy position. Now we've got some things to do.
So we are currently, bring the map a bit closer, we're here. We are currently here now, which is apparently the highest village in the Highlands.
Ah, I didn't know that.
Ah, yeah, well, I've been researching. So we are currently here. Tomorrow we're going to go through here, which is through the actual Dark Skies Carragorms Park, and go through this road here, up into Ballinderloch. Might not have said that, but then we're going to head up towards the coast because I've got a lot of places down here.
Basically the rest of the trip is going to be along the coast, isn't
somebody on Facebook got in touch and said we have to 100% visit here, Cullen. So that is definitely Mutt and also Lossiemouth.
As you can see, it's raining. It's been raining for a while, so we've just been sat in the van. So we did say we're going to have like a nice easy like meal tonight, so kind of glad that we are now. So I'm going to make some noodles, nice and simple. Let's look. Oh, fella's just chilling in.
He's done a lot of walks.
Yeah, for the past few days he's done a lot of walks, as we have. So this is one of the reasons why we decided to stay here another night, isn't it? So we can just relax, take it easy, and so we're going to make some food, and then we've got a really good Wi-Fi signal here, haven't we? So I think we're going to watch a film, aren't we? So as you know, our campervan build, it's not like, well, it's not finished yet because we don't have like a kitchen unit. Now, we have been saying for a while now that yeah, it's something that we're going to get done. But because we've been doing everything else, we've kind of like just
brushed it off.
Yeah, just left it because we know that we can cook outside. And now the thing is, because it's raining outside and I'm now cooking inside, I just said to Brooke, do you know what? We need to get a kitchen unit like sorted, because we shouldn't be cooking like this, you know.
And the other thing is as well though, there'll be a lot of storage in the kitchen unit.
Yeah.
And it'll be a lot easier to just be able to get something out and use it.
So we've made a decision when we get home from this Scotland trip that we're doing, we're going to like make some inquiries and things because we need to get one built. Now we do know some companies and we've known about them for a long time because we've told a lot of people about them, and you know, we've suggested to people that, look, you know, if you've got a bigger van, these companies like they pre-make them so that you can get them fitted. We've been telling people about them, and then we've not like got one, have we? So we've made a decision. We think
there's two different companies that we like the look of. So
yeah, they actually build the whole unit for you, and then like if you want extras put on it and things like that, or you don't want it a certain way. So like I said, I think it's time, you know, we just need to get on with it. So when we get home, we're on it. Right, got the door open now because it's still raining a little bit, but with noodles, woo! So as you know, we like to relax at night time and watch a film, you know, when we're, you know, we've done everything, we've been exploring, found a nice campsite or a well camped spot. But yesterday, I broke the clamp that holds the TV bracket on. So, I've gave the company Gallant a ring where we got this from, and you know what? They have spare parts and they've been really helpful, so we're going to get another one ordered. So hopefully we'll have that by the time we get back from this road trip. Morning everyone. Well, as you can see, this is not where we went to sleep last night. During the night, about 2 o'clock in the morning, some people turned up wheels parked and they weren't doing anything wrong, but they were loud. I mean, loud. It woke me and Brooke up and Thor, and we couldn't get back to sleep, could we? So we just decided we need to move on. So We just drove a little bit out, about half an hour, and then we found a lay-by just to get a few more hours sleep. Now we're up bright and early. Brooke's got the kettle on, so we're...
And what did you just say about the handle?
The handle? Yeah, the handle's too hot to pick up, so we'll just letting the water
So
go down.
what does that mean we need to buy?
We need to buy a different kettle.
A Ridge Monkey kettle.
Yeah, it'd be so surprising how many things. Again, it never ends. We always need like new things for a camping trip. Like
I've been wanting a Ridge Monkey kettle ever since Carol and John told me about this Ridge Monkey kettle, and it's dead good, and he won't let me have one, so now he's
right. Yeah, we'll get a Ridge Monkey kettle because it's got different handles, but yeah, that handle's really hot. But anyway, getting off the subject there, so let's get the day started, and we'll catch up with you then and tell you what we're doing. So this is where we stayed last night. Like I said, not the most glamorous of locations, but we've only been here a few hours, and like I said, it was the right thing to do last night to do that. Now, something exciting, we have just had a invitation to somewhere, and we're kind of like really buzzing about it and really appreciate it. But if you want to see what that is, you're gonna have to wait till the next video. So guys, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. So much more travel to come, so much more to do, and like I said, we're going somewhere today that like we're really looking forward to it, but you're gonna have to wait till the next video. So, hey, just want to say we've had our YouTube channel for nearly 4 years now, and we have had campervans for 5 years, haven't we?
Yeah.
And one thing that we're proud about our YouTube channel is how we're always honest with you. We're not fake with you. We don't fake things. You know, we say it as it is. We show you as it is. Now, this video that you've just watched, we said that during the night there was some noise that some people was making, and we basically made a decision to move. Now that is true, but there's a little bit more to it. Now me and Brooke have had a chat about this, whether, you know, we was going to sort of like actually tell you what happened, and we've discussed it, and we feel that the right thing to do is be honest with you guys and actually tell you why we had to move.
So as Tom mentioned in this video, he broke the TV bracket, and there's actually a reason why that happened.
Yeah, so we said in this video at 2 o'clock in the morning, you know, someone was making some noise, and you know, we moved on. Now, we've not really strictly told you the truth here, and me and Brooke have been talking, and you know, we've decided, because like I said, we're proud of our channel and we're never fake, you know, we always want to show you and tell you as it is. We've decided that we're going to tell you the truth. Now the truth is, at 2 o'clock in the morning, whilst we were asleep, we actually got attacked while we was in the van. Now, I'm normally sort of like, when I'm asleep, you know, any little noise I wake up, but...
And I'm dead to the world. But it was the opposite way around this time.
Yeah, I was like in a deep sleep, and then the next thing I heard Brooke screaming, and then as I woke up, I could hear... Now, I'm not going to go into details, but one thing that I will say is, these people were trying to get in the van. They knew there was someone in the van, and they was being very aggressive, and the things that they were saying for us to get out the van. Like I said, I'm not going to go into details. Now, my immediate reaction was to jump up, but as I did that, I went to like grab like what was near me and everything, and I broke the TV whilst I was doing that. Now, I jumped up, and very quickly I was aware of what was happening. Now, I'm not going to go into, like I said, too many details, but one thing I will say is I'm actually professionally trained in conflict management, and I got something from the van, I opened the door, I got out, and like very quickly this group of people realised that it was a mistake to continue what they was doing, and they ran off basically. Like I said, there's a bit more to it, but we're not going to go into details. Now, the reason that we're telling you this is because, like I said, we've always been honest with you guys, and once I edited the video, it didn't feel right, did it? That we weren't being truthful, you know, but you know, just sort of like glossing over it. I will say here is, when we got back in the van, obviously we needed to calm down a little bit. There was actually a camper van that was next to us, and you know, there was just like a lady
and her grandson.
Yeah, and they heard like everything that was going on, and they obviously got out like what's going on, and you know, explained everything. So they was like a bit worried. So we made a decision. We rang the police, not thinking that the police are going to come and they're going to like go and find them or anything. It's just they had to be made aware, didn't they? So we did the right thing. We rang the police, and they said they'll send a patrol out to look in the area and everything, and all that. So, you know, so we did sort of like report it. And then we had a decision to make, and the decision was simple. We had 3 choices, didn't we?
Yeah. Tom said there's 3 choices. 1, we go home. 2, we stay where we are. Or 3, we move on. Now, I'm pretty sure I shocked Tom because
I thought Brooke was going to say, I want to go home. It's simple as that.
But I thought just because some idiots have tried to ruin our holiday and tried to get into the van is not making me want to go home. I want to continue my holiday.
So we made the decision just to move on, and we
because I didn't
drove.
feel comfortable staying in that spot anymore.
Yeah, we drove a bit further on, and we parked in a lay-by. Now, what I will say in the next video, by parking in that lay-by, it opened us up to an amazing experience. You're going to see that in the next video. Something happened like the following day that like led on to an amazing day. But like I said, you'll have to watch that video. Now, the reason we're telling you this, guys, is because now 5 years of van life, we have never experienced anything like this.
No, and the people we've met, we've never heard of anybody.
You know,
else
we've spoke to some people about this, and like we don't know anybody that, and we know a lot of people in the van life community. And you know what? Nobody has like ever told us that they've had an experience like this. Now the thing is, and again, this is like shocking that Brooke's saying this. Has this put you off?
No.
Not at all.
But it's made me more aware.
More aware. We was actually parked in like an area that was designed for like overnight stays, as you've seen in the video. But this still happens. So it's not like we was parked in front of someone's house, you know, and we was sort of like annoying people or anything. We was like in an area where there was nothing around us. So, but we just want to make you guys aware, and we just want to be honest with you. We just feel the right thing to do as a channel with what we do is be honest with you.
I don't think that you should, if you haven't wild camped before, or if you have been wild camping, it shouldn't put you off. Never. It's just to make you more aware.
Yeah.
And on top of that, that route that we was on is one of the one of the best routes we've been on.
We've got a lot more to show you in the videos coming, but you know what?
And
we do reckon don't let it put you off.
Going on that driving route.
So guys, we appreciate your support. We really thank you for watching this bit of the video, and like I said, don't let it put you off. One life, live it. Don't ever let anybody make anything any different, because if you start doing things like that, you're not going to live the life you want to live. So until the next one, guys,
Bye.
Bye for now.